MoneyLion Instacash transfers don't arrive at one exact speed for everyone, because timing depends on whether you use standard delivery or instant delivery and how your bank processes incoming funds. By the end, you'll know how long MoneyLion Instacash usually takes, what causes delays, and what actually makes your money arrive faster. MoneyLion Instacash offers two main delivery methods: standard transfer and instant transfer. Standard transfers move through normal banking systems, which means they can take longer because the money has to pass through multiple processing steps before it reaches your account. Now, explain instant option. Instant transfer is designed to deliver funds much faster, but it only works when your linked debit card supports real-time payment processing. Now, explain the biggest factor. The biggest factor affecting timing is your bank, because even after MoneyLion sends the money, your bank decides when it becomes available in your account balance. Now explain verification. If your account is not fully verified, transfers can slow down because additional identity or banking checks may be required before funds are released. Now, explain setup errors. Incorrect debit card or bank details are one of the most common reasons for delays, since even small mismatches can prevent successful delivery. Now explain user assumption. A common misunderstanding is thinking MoneyLion controls the entire transfer speed. But in reality, delivery time is shared between MoneyLion's system and your bank's processing network. Now explain consistency. Accounts that consistently use the same verified debit card or bank account usually experience smoother transfers because the system recognizes the payment path as stable. Now explain timing variation. Transfer speed can also vary depending on when the request is made and how quickly your bank processes incoming transactions during that time. Now, simplify it. MoneyLion Instacash timing is not fixed because it depends on transfer type, bank compatibility, and account verification status. Here's the simple breakdown. MoneyLion sends Instacash either through standard or instant delivery, and the final arrival time depends mostly on your bank's processing speed and whether your debit card supports instant payouts. Do this next. Check your linked bank or debit card details, make sure your account is fully verified, and use instant transfer when available if you need faster access. If everything is set up correctly, transfers usually arrive without issues. If not, delays are almost always caused by bank processing or verification steps.